All right, my people, I came over to Dancing Drums Explosion, and I got a bonus. I'm gonna do 10 times. I like 5 times, but I'm gonna do 10 times. Let's see what we can get. Come on. Oh, we didn't get anything on that one. Some coins, okay. Let's go. Some ingots, come on baby, something good. There we go, got a retrigger, finally. Not finally, but that's nice. Oh, I forgot I didn't pick my Uzo 5, I got the 10, so yeah. Let's go. Oh, that was it right there. That should have been another retrigger. Who dogs? Oh no, my doggies. Come on baby, something. Let's go. Come on. That was... No, that's not it. We need a retrigger bad, guys. Come on. Oh, it was right there. Let's go. Let's go. Food dogs? No food dogs. No nothing. That's terrible, guys. Last spin. Wow. All right. That wasn't very good, guys. 980. All right. Here we go. Oh, that's... Oh, that I needed one more. That could have been amazing. There we go. All right, all right. Take it, $3. Food dogs. Oh no. Oh, come on, baby. There you go. Coins, coins. There's some coins. Oh, come on, Drummy. Come on, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, that was it, guys. A special drum. Come on, baby. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I thought I had it, guys. I didn't say anything. Come on, guys. Coins? $4.50 on that one. Oh, food. Oh, special drum too. Come on. There we go, guys. Come on, bonus time. Let's go. If I get a bonus this time, though, guys, I'm gonna do my 5. Oh my! Almost, guys, almost. All right, come on. $2. Trees. All right, 90 cents. Let's go, bonus. Oh, that was it right there, guys. I should have had it. Coins, not bad, 90 cents. Come on, baby. All right, ingots. Last spin, guys. That's it. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Appreciate it.